How to transfer money into a Charles Schwab account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So to transfer money into Charles Schwab account, you can use several methods like electronic fund transfer via Schwab Money Link. This method allows you to link to an external bank account and transfer fund electronically. You can set up recurring transfer for ongoing fund. And to get started, you can go ahead and simply navigate to move money and then simply tap on transfer and payments. And after that, link or delete external bank accounts within your Schwab account. And after you do that, you can go ahead and follow the on-screen instruction to link your bank account. The next method you can try is wire transfer. Wire transfer allows for quick transfer between other financial institutions and Schwab. You will need to obtain the specific wire transfer instructions for Charles Schwab from their website or by contacting them directly. Ensure you include the correct amount associated with your Schwab account. Next method is to go ahead and check deposit. You can send a check via mail to Charles Schwab & Co. and then include your account number or any other required information with the check. Also, if you have a Schwab mobile app, you can deposit checks using the mobile's camera. Navigate to deposit check option within the app, follow the on-screen instruction to photograph both sides of the check and submit the deposit. And that is simply how you can transfer money into Charles Schwab account. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.